Welcome to the Richard Lloyd USA YouTube channel. I'm Richard Lloyd. Today I'm making a quick video on how to connect one computer or one device directly to your modem. Now I realized on a couple of my router rescue videos that I said I had a video on how to do that, and actually indirectly I do, but I don't have one dedicated just for the task. So on one video, and I'll put the card up there, I show how to connect directly to your modem without a router. And to test the speed of it, again, card up there of your network or your high-speed internet connection. The other one, I show how to connect directly to the modem to test to get 1 gigabit from your phone, and on that one I use a USB on-the-go connector and a USB 1 gigabit LAN card or Ethernet connector. And that's one of the things you're going to need to do this. You're going to need a computer with an Ethernet port like this one, and if you don't have that on your computer or your laptop, you can buy one of these on Amazon for about $12 to $15, and I'll put a link to the ones I use down here. I will be doing a video on selecting the right one on this, or basically showing you which ones work the best in the future. And but again, for now, just click the link in the video description below, and that will get you the right one. So what we're going to do is basically hook my computer right now straight to the modem without a router in between. So you've blown up your router, you need to get the files, the firmware to fix your router, or the software to fix your router. And since your router isn't working, you can't surf the internet. So we're going to take the router out of this equation and connect directly with an Ethernet cable to the modem. Now the first thing you need to do to start this is you need to power down your modem and power it back on. This is very, very important, especially with me. I've got cable, Time Warner. Might be different with different modems, like let's say fiber or Starlink or something else. But in my case, I need to power it down, power it back up again, so that it can sync with the device, the next device that connects to it. That's the way it works. Okay, so there's it locks onto the MAC address, but that's too technical. Just shut your modem down, turn it on, and bring it back up so that the power and online lights, which this is what it looks like for me, are on. And whatever yours looks like, just make sure it's online and talking to the internet. Next thing you're going to do is take an Ethernet cable, plug it into the Ethernet port or internet port on your modem, and make sure it's secure. As you can see here, it's lit up, which means both sides of the cable are connected, which is what we're going to do as well. We're going to go over here to the back of my computer or your computer, or if you don't have an Ethernet port, like I said, $12 to $15 on Amazon. The price, of course, will change over time, but video description below for the link for that device. Plug that into your USB port, and off you go. You have an Ethernet adapter on your computer. My computer already has one, so that's what we're going to use, and that's what it looks like. And then clip it in, and it should light up like this. Okay, now one thing to note here is that we're connecting your computer directly to the internet, meaning that IP address that you're being given on your computer is what they call an outside IP address, meaning that your computer is directly connected to the internet. There's no router between you and the internet, so most routers have what they call a firewall in them. Mine do. I have it turned on, which is protection against nasty worms and stuff that are out on the internet. So if you don't have a firewall on your computer, I strongly suggest installing one. Now I realize if your router has gone down, it's kind of hard to do that prior to connecting to the internet. But again, I'll show you what I use. I use this free software called Zone Alarm Firewall, and I've just installed it, and you can see here that says 0 access attempts blocked. So nothing has tried to lock into this computer yet, because I haven't got putting it on the internet since I installed the software. But next thing I'm going to do is right here. It's just basically plug the Ethernet connector in. So we'll do that. That should do it. And if you look down here, I should be getting a network connection. So it says unidentified network, and there it is, connected, right? And so let's just go to that connection, and you can see here that I am okay. Well, let's go to the connection, change adapter options, and you'll see one of your network adapters. I have two. Actually, it looks like I actually have 3 or 4. But regardless, we're going to click that, hit on status, and you'll see that I'm connected to 1 gigabits and on internet here. Okay, I'm not going to click here because that'll give you my IP address, which is external. But regardless, there we are. Now we're connected to the internet. I'll open up a browser window, and we'll just go to Google. Let's go to, I don't know, weather. There you go. So there's a Google search, and showing you that we are connected, and yeah, sure, whatever. And on the internet, it's telling me my weather and what's going on. And obviously I'm connected. And just to show you what's going on as far as, you know, being on the internet, let's go do back to here. 5 access attempts already blocked. Okay, only been on for what, 30 seconds? And you know, there's stuff out there that's automatic, bots and viruses and worms and stuff that are continuously trying to get into your computer and infect your machine. So make sure you have antivirus and firewall software on your computer, regardless of what you're doing, because as you can see, you know, I don't have this antivirus. Actually, what I use for antivirus is called Avast. Both these programs are free to download off the internet, so there's no excuse for not having them. Just go get them. They're free. They're not nagware or anything like that. They work just fine. So as you can see, you know, the firewall is doing its job. And now, since we talked, 13 access attempts. So again, see how important it is. But as you can see, I'm connected directly to my modem and able to go to, let's say, you know, Netgear or TP-Link's website. And TP-Link, let's go there. Download center, and then now I can get the firmware for my, you know, broken router, install it or rescue it, and off we go. So this is a video on how to connect directly to your router using just an Ethernet cable and a computer. No, sorry, to your modem. My apologies. So we're connecting directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable and a computer. So no router involved. And again, don't have Ethernet? Look at the links below. I'll give you a link to a USB 1 gigabit Ethernet adapter that works really well. And like I said, I will be doing a video on this because there's 2 versions or 2 companies that make chipsets for these things, and only one of them actually makes a really good one. The other one works, just nowhere near as good as the other one. So that's it for my video. If you like this video and it helped you out in some way, please give me a thumbs up here at the bottom corner. That helps my channel and my videos to grow on YouTube, and I appreciate that greatly. Also, if you like my content and, you know, it helped you out in some way, subscribe to my channel, and you know, as part of the subscribing to the channel, you'll get a bell icon. Click on that, and every time I put up a new video, you will be notified that I have put up a new video, and then you can watch it at your own leisure. As well, video description below has all the links for hardware and stuff, and those are affiliate links. They help me out a little bit. They don't cost you any more than just going directly to Amazon, and then you make sure that you get the same hardware that I show in the video. That's another bonus about using those links. Comment section below. Do me a huge favor. Comments, suggestions, especially suggestions, you know, questions, anything else you need or want to say to me, like thank you. I get a lot of those and I love them. Put them in the comment section below. I do look and answer those frequently and regularly as well. And I make a lot of videos from those comments as well. I've recently just made one as well. So that's it for this video. Okay, let's go check this one more time. It was 13 attempts last time we were talking. Let's see what it is now. 38. So yeah. Whether you're behind a router or you know, in front of a router like we are right now, there is no router. It's just me connected to my modem, connected to the internet. Antivirus and firewall software is very recommended. Okay? All right, that's it. Have a good day. We'll see you on the next one, and stay healthy, stay happy, and thank you for watching.